YouTube? It's your boy Wolf back with another video. I'm already in CERBERUS, so you know, he's in the back looking beastly. And today, I don't want to say minimal. I got a couple things that I have to do that I should have been did. I know you guys, well, you may or may not remember. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I know I've been out the game for a minute. I'm off my crutches. I'm moving around. I'm working out again, so my spirits are definitely up. So I'm driving to a place right now out in Fairfax. So I got a bit of a drive. So I'm definitely not going to vlog the whole thing because it's like an hour and some change away. But that's neither here nor there. So today I got to get my rim fixed. I don't know if you guys have seen my rims. I'll probably put a picture up. During that time period when I had the wrong tires, I hit a pothole on a back road on my way to work. And normally, because I've hit in the same pothole 100 times with my stock tires, and nothing happened. So I hit this same pothole, and I wasn't expecting anything to happen. But all was king, king. I was like, oh man, it's not like I had ice in a blender. I was like, dang, I know that's bad. So when I get out of the car and look at it, I don't see anything. And I'm like, nah, I know there's something. So I looked on the inside of the rim, and there's a crazy dent. So I'm hopefully going to get that fixed today. We'll see if it's fixable. If it's not fixable, hold on. If it's not fixable, then I need to get I need to replace the rim, obviously. But if it is fixable, then let's fix it. So around like 95 to 100 miles an hour, the rim shakes. I don't know how I know that, because I would never, ever drive my car at 95 miles an hour. But somebody told me that it would shake around 95 to 100 miles an hour. So based off that guy's good judgment, I'm gonna go get it fixed. Now I know that sometimes getting a rim fixed is sketchy, so I'm just gonna play it by ear. But yeah, it feels good to be back. Just been busy. And as far as my build, you know, I'm coming towards the end of it as far as performance. And what I want to do now is like little aesthetic things that I probably do. Like I said in my last video, I need to get my hood fixed. So basically you wet sand it down, and then you kind of sand down to the weave, and then you basically just re-clear coat it. People do it all the time. So I was thinking about doing it myself. I thought it might be a good do-it-yourself project for the channel. But then I watched a couple videos on it. I was like, ain't no way, brother. No way. Yeah. No. I would definitely need to get a machine, and then with my luck, I'm not worried about the actual work of doing it. I'm worried about the finesse of doing it, if you will. I don't want to sand down to the weave and then just carbon fiber splinters everywhere, because I done sanded down too long or too deep. So that is why I'm definitely not doing it, because oh man, the most traffic. Because I don't want to sand down to my weave and mess it up. If somebody else does it, I can blame them. I don't want to sand down to my own weave, so I can just blame myself. Not interested. So I got my guys to actually put the hood on. I already spoke to them, so I'll be definitely getting that fixed, because right now it looks horrible. I'll show you guys when I get out the car. But yeah, man, and since I've been gone, I've done a lot. I'm gonna put a couple clips in, or it's probably gonna be more pictures than clips, because with the people I was with, I did not feel comfortable filming with. Like even the little clip I got, somebody else filmed it of me. I was at Mike Tyson's ranch, and he was doing his hot boxing with Mike Tyson. I was chilling with Mike Tyson out in LA, Hollywood, wherever we were at. Like, is it Hollywood? It might be Hollywood. photos with the most famous people. So I'm gonna put a picture of me and Mike Tyson. Then I actually have a video of I'm wearing Mike Tyson's gloves, hitting his bag while we're waiting for him to get there. And shout out to Billy. He said, yeah, put the gloves on. Those are Mike's. Just put them on and hit the bag. Cause I told him I used to box. I used to train with DeMarcus Chop Corley, fought Mayweather, fought Miguel Cotto, Zab Judah, a lot of people. So I'm pretty decent when it comes to these.
Take it easy on that side, boy, you need that. Love you guys. Please, Sean. Love you guys. Love you.
So I'm hitting the bag, and he's like, man. He's like, Mike might actually, if it was a sparring day, Mike might actually spar. I'm like, Shaggy? No. But he didn't ask. Good thing it wasn't a sparring day, because I would have sparred Mike Tyson and I would have been big sleepy time. So yeah, he was doing the hot box on Mike Tyson thing. He ended up interviewing Clarissa Shields that day. I don't know if you guys know. She's a female boxer. I think she's ranked #1 in like almost every weight class at this point. She's just beat everybody. Some people say she's the greatest female boxer of all time. I'll leave that up to you. But yeah, so I should have vlogged my LA trip, to be honest. But like I said, I just wasn't with people I feel like doing this in front of. So normally, if you notice, most of my vlogs are with me or my girl or just me and my brother or something. This is like a part-time thing, and I'm not a vlogger for real. It's just something that I do, help people out. It's not even like I'm getting like a big YouTube bag or anything like that. I get little checks from YouTube, but it's not nothing crazy. So I'm not a vlogger for real. I'm just a guy, just like you, just a guy. So that's it. But let me hurry up and get down this road, because I don't want to get there after they close. That would suck. So yeah. So basically, the things I got coming up, I'm gonna give you a mini roadmap of what I got coming for the channel. So right now I'm going to see if I can find out if my room is fixable or do I have to get it replaced. So that's 1. 2, I'm going to be getting my carbon fiber hood fixed, getting the clear coat sanded off, and then re-clear coated. Oh no! So that's 2. 3, I had the guy who put my intake manifold down, twisted it too much, and he cracked the plastic again. I don't think he did it the first time, but the second time, he said it was definitely him. He was so graciously enough to replace it. So shout out to him. So that's 3. So the rim, the hood, my Porter intake manifold, I have that. So I just have to get it put on. I got my fuel injectors in. What else is going on? And once I get my intake manifold put on, the rim put on, well, fixed or replaced, then after those things transpire, then I'm going to get the car retuned. Because since I added the bigger throttle body, the Porter intakes, all this stuff that add more air to the car, even the hood, all these little things that add more air to the car, it has definitely need to have your car retuned. So that's another thing I like to do. So the roadmap, the rim, the hood. What was number 3? I'm hitting the head too much. Number 3, my ported intake manifold thing has to get fixed or replaced, swapped, and then the fuel injectors as well. And then after all that is done, then I'm going to get the car retuned. So those are all the things that I need to do, and hopefully I will vlog, because I wasn't going to vlog today. I was just going to go do it, and then, because like I said, I do stuff without telling the channel. People think everything I do with the car, I just vlog it. So if you don't see it, it didn't happen, but not factual. So that's what I'm doing now, and that is a roadmap of things that will be taking place. And you know, another thing, I actually thought about painting my hood Destroyer gray and just getting rid of the carbon fiber look altogether. It was like, oh, my brother's like, well, that kind of defeats the purpose of having a carbon fiber look. I was like, yeah, I mean, I still know it's carbon fiber, but you know, it's just for looks. So I don't know. Oh. So let me focus on this road, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, it should be fixed. There's Cerberus in the back. I am at so hopefully it's fixed. I gotta get up, well, somebody's gotta get up to 95 to see if it's fixed, but I'll get in the car real quick. All right, guys, I'm back in the car. It's 4:16 now. I don't know if I can make it to this auto body shop. Yeah, but he says it's fixed. If not, I'm coming back. Coming back. We're gonna see what's up. Yeah, but hopefully it's fixed and it's good to go, because the wobbling at those speeds is just, that ain't it, champ. That is not it. So hopefully it is good to go now. And yeah, I'm not gonna speed too much out here. It's Fairfax. You don't speed in Fairfax. I know a lot of my subscribers are not from Virginia, a lot of my viewership is not from Virginia, but if you ever in Virginia and you come to Fairfax, do not speed in Fairfax. Cops not gonna be cool. You're not gonna get no breaks. No breaks. Fairfax don't get no breaks. So if you get pulled over in Virginia, in Fairfax, and you racing, you might as well keep going. If your car is fast enough to race, just keep going, brother. Keep going. Because if they pull you over for racing, you are going to jail. To jail. For sure. Ain't no, hey, he might be cool. No, he's not cool, brother. Oh no, she's not cool either. They not cool. A Fairfax cop is taking you to jail. Just a heads up. So if you street racing, which you really shouldn't be, in Fairfax, first you probably, I don't know, maybe you just want to go to jail. Yes, yes, yes. The wobbling is gone. The wobbling from the rim is gone. So shout out to A+ Rim and Tire Repair, because that was annoying and dangerous. But now it's gone. I'm in the car now. Yeah, I'm just happy it's gone, man. I'm happy it's gone, because I did not want to replace those rims. Nope. So that's one thing down. Much more to come. Much more to come, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.